Hello and welcome. Welcome to my channel DCS-PLC-HMI and SCADA. DCS-PLC-HMI-SCADA for industrial automation. I founded this channel with the intention that I would like to understand and let the engineers who are interested in the field of industrial automation also understand and learn about the standards in various industries, because in different industries you have different standards. For example, GAMP, you might have seen in food product or medicine product, GMP is written as a good manufacturing practices. Then there is a batch process standard is conflict, because some people call it standard, but it is actually guideline S88 for batch process. And then there are programming guideline. So those as a courseware in through the YouTube channel or the LinkedIn channel. Now this is number one of my intention, and second intention is the ethical side of the automation, like automation in the slaughterhouse or in the pharmaceutical companies or dairy products manufacturing, dairy factory, process factory. So inside that factories there are many things, many practices that is avoidable and should not be done, but yet people do that. Companies do that just to make profit and money with losing the ethical side of the human. So I want engineers to be human in their doing the project or executing certain project or taking even such kind of project, because if you do some projects, execute the project, and the final product is unethical, it harms people, it harms animals, it harms environment, then the only way to stop it is to protest against it. So still engineers has some responsibility doing that. They can raise their voice during meeting, or even during taking the project also they can discuss this matter. Third point is speed, accuracy and efficiency. How certain process, certain line can be improved to produce more products in less amount of time and efficiently, using less power, saving time, saving resources, like with very less expensive machines, how you can produce good quality product. So this agenda also was in my mind actually. And fourth point is actually doing the project, how we do the project in industrial automation. We take the project, we plan, and then write the program, set up hardware, doing the PLC commissioning at site. All these things, the whole process need to be inside the courseware, so engineers can see what are the project and how the project is done in this field. So they can go through the course, go through the videos in this channel, and pick up the topic you like, pick up the topic you want to learn about. And fifth point, the most and I think the last one, very important one, is the case studies. Each project has certain thing to learn about and certain thing that we overcome doing that project. So what do we overcome when we finish that project? Like it has achieved some certain parameter that previously it was not possible. So when we execute some project, we have some benefits over the old machines. So like I executed one project that can produce certain amount of products, lesser number of hours. So that is my improvement. The case studies will focus on improvements and new discoveries, and will be also dedicating some discussion about different products of different brands. So 5 brands I will be discussing mostly within this channel. I will not be able to cover up thousands and hundreds of industrial automation companies who are manufacturing the products for this field. Namely, I would like to name 5 most popular, I think most top 5 automation brand in the world right now. That is Siemens, Rockwell Automation, Allen Bradley, and then Schneider, ABB, you can say similar in position. The Honeywell Process Solution you have, then Mitsubishi. So I would like to start with the first two brand only, Siemens and Rockwell. I'm very much familiar with the Siemens and Rockwell Automation. Others company I have little bit understanding, or I have never worked with them. But yes, I will slowly explore those side as well. So that's all. I hope you all enjoy and share, comment, make a question, ask question, and if you have any query, you can put email to my email as well. Thank you.